If you want to turn on the weather card in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to enable it so you can see the weather right on your Edge homepage. This is a simple change, but it can make your new tab page much more useful and personalized. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to your homepage or new tab page. On the page, look for the settings or page settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear icon. This is where Edge lets you customize what appears on your start page. Click that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the settings panel appears, look for the section related to content settings. You should see an option that says Manage. Click on Manage under Content Settings. This takes you to the controls for the content that appears on your Edge homepage. Now you'll see different homepage options, and one of them should be Show Weather Card. All you need to do here is toggle that switch on. As soon as you enable it, the weather card will be added to your Edge homepage so you can quickly check local weather information whenever you open a new tab. If you want, you can also take a moment to review any other homepage settings while you're here. Edge often gives you control over the layout, background, and content shown on the page, so you can make it look exactly the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the weather card in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but now your browser homepage is a little more helpful every time you open it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.